Melt Drops Pro is marketed as an advanced version of the original Melt Drops, supposedly offering faster fat burning, stronger appetite control, and better metabolism support. But the real question is it actually better or just upgraded marketing? Now, to be fair, Pro versions of supplements sometimes include higher ingredient doses or extra compounds aimed at energy and appetite support. What it does well may contain stronger stimulant ingredients. Some upgraded formulas add extra caffeine, green tea extract, or metabolism-focused compounds that can create a slightly stronger energy effect, could slightly improve appetite control. Certain ingredients may help some users feel less hungry temporarily. Where the hype falls apart, it still does not melt fat away. This is the biggest reality check. Even stronger formulas cannot bypass calorie balance and lifestyle habits. Pro branding is often mostly marketing. Many supplement companies use upgraded labels to justify higher prices without dramatically improving effectiveness. Results are still likely modest. Even legitimate weight management ingredients usually provide only small support effects. So, is Melt Drops Pro better than the original? Short answer, maybe slightly stronger, but not dramatically different. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.